What challenges are you facing in your life?
It's like a bad dream or something I haven't quite processed yet.
This is Breaking the Blocks, and I'm your host, Rachel Pierman. I'll be talking to some amazing creative minds about how they have overcome some very significant challenges in their lives.
I haven't spoken to my dad in about 2 years.
Was hiding so much of myself.
I mean, yes, it was excruciating in some ways.
And I was like, I cannot go for another thing.
In these conversations, there'll be some pearls of wisdom that you can take away and use in your own lives.
Sometimes breaking the block is changing the mindset.
Or maybe you'll hear just one line that will set you on a new path to discovery in your life. Creativity can really help you to overcome those difficult times. Did you
I did. Squeak? I just cried, I think.
You don't have to be creative. You don't have to be suffering from any blocks. This podcast is there to be enjoyed and to give you value if and when you need it.
Break those barriers, Rachel.
So I hope you'll listen to us wherever you listen to your podcasts on a regular basis. And of course, you can watch us on our YouTube channel. Follow us on our social media networks. It's Instagram and Facebook, Breaking the Blocks. I cannot wait to see which blocks you are going to break.